Hey, what's up, guys? Gonna show you how to replace the bulb for the AC circulate for to light up the AC and the circulate button to light up the letters. I honestly never knew they even lit up. Since I had the car, they never worked. It does have two lights on the side, green lights that these ones do work. I'll turn it on just to kind of show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so turn on the headlights. Not even the headlights. So I turn on the fan. Alright, fan's on. AC's on now. Circulates on. See the green lights. I didn't know that they actually lit up until I saw a friend's picture that he replaced his bulb and it lit up. So I figured I'd replace mine and do a video on it just in case you wanted to see how it was done. So let me shut off the car. Alright, you probably won't have one of these, but anyways, just move that out the way. This just pulls off the trim, and then you're gonna have a few plugs on the back. You're gonna have 3 plugs up top and then one on the side where the AC buttons are at. So there you go. You got one right here, one right here, and one right here. They're push and pull out. Same thing with this one right here. This is the AC one right here. So yeah, you got the 3 up top right here, and then you got the one right there for the AC. So I'm not gonna show you how to pull them off. They're pretty simple. Push and pull. Just be careful, and then be careful taking off the trim too. It's very, very delicate. It cracks very easy. I think I even have a little crack right here. Yeah. But I'm gonna just stop the video. I'm gonna pull it out and then I'll start the video back up. I got that taken off. There's the 3 plugs right there. There's that one. They are push. This one right here, you're gonna push right here and pull out. See the little tab. Same thing with right there. This one's kind of broken, so it's kind of a little bit harder. The little tab right here in the middle, and this one up top right there. So once you do that, you're gonna have this trim piece off. You're gonna pull this whole piece off right here, and you got the tab right here. You're gonna push in. Same with right here. So put something in there to push it in, and then just wiggle one side out and then do the other side and wiggle it out, and it'll come out. I don't think I'll be able to catch it. Yeah, I don't have anything to hold my phone, so let me just do this off camera real quick. But yeah, there's the tab right there. You can see I got a crack already, and then one right there inside. I got it off. I used like a pick kind of tool to kind of push it out, but yeah, there's a tab. You would kind of, let me show you on this one right there, the hole, and then on the bottom right there. So once you have this little AC unit out, right here on the side is actually where that hollow point, the hollow spot is. Right there is where the bulb actually goes. I took it off already. Let me get the bulb. Do with the other, oh, here it is. So at first I ordered the wrong size. I ordered T3s. Those are too small. Those are more for the HVAC ones right there. If you wanted to replace the ones that are in here, I'll shoot a picture right now so you can see what it looks like. You'll pull this one out right here. This one, this switch right here just pulls out, and there's a screwdriver. Take that screwdriver, pull the whole unit out right here, and then you'd have to take the radio off and then kind of go on from behind to put in the bulb, because it screws in from the back, and it's like one of these wedge bulbs. It's called a wedge. These are T3 wedge, but the one I ordered was the wrong size. This is a T4, I believe. We're gonna find out right now though. So this is a T4 right here. So you can see it kind of like push it in and twist it a little bit, 1/4 inch, and it locks in there. Here's my screwdriver. Let's use this. So this is how this would go in. Little twist like that. So that's how the bulb would look like once you get it out. Obviously I'm replacing it, so let's make sure the other ones I got fit. There we go. So these ones are T4. These should be the right size. We will find out in a second. They're a little bit bigger, same kind of design, little wedge bulbs. And I went with actual bulbs. I didn't go with LED. Just, I don't know, just didn't want to. Anyways, here's the bulb. Let's put it in. Alright, now give it a little twist. There we go, it's in there. Now we need to twist it. Let's see if I can do it with a screwdriver. You'd have to get a really thin screwdriver for it to turn. There we go. Like a 1/4, 1/8 of a twist. So it fits. We shall see right now once I plug it in. Alright, so I'm gonna get this put back onto here. I'm gonna get these 3 harnesses plugged back in, and then turn the car back on, and then we'll see if they light up. Alright, let's actually see if I don't have to plug everything in. I just plugged in that harness. I'm gonna close the garage to get better lighting. Not all the way, because I'm gonna turn on the car. Just for a second. Darn it. Stupid garage. Doesn't want to stop where I want it to stop. There we go. That'll work. I just shut off the light on the camera so that way you can see it better. Oh, it works. There we go. Lights up. But this thing is tripping. I just changed the bulb and again it's out. I don't know. This one's really funky, the contact. I think I'm gonna have to do some kind of other LED kind of strip back here. But anyways, these lights work. Dude, awesome. You can see it lighting up from the side right there. Yep. Anyway, so let me unplug that one, hook it back up, and then that's it, man. While I was at it, my light for the inverter right here for the house plug, I guess you'd say, wouldn't light up. The 115 volt would illuminate, but the orange light would not. I'm not gonna show you the full process because I can't really show you it because I cut my trim piece, obviously. But you would have to take out the whole trim piece. Once you get this off, I think this actually, you don't even need to take out the whole trim piece. This pops off like that. So forget what I just said, I guess. Just pop this off, and the bulbs are under there too. These ones are going to be the T3, the smaller ones. So I actually put in the new bulb, the brown one right here, but it wouldn't light up the the orange light to indicate that it's powered. I tried a different bulb, didn't work. So I ended up switching them, and I put the original one in here, and it lights up, but now the 115 doesn't illuminate. So I'm not sure if these bulbs just aren't the exact one. They fit, they look the right way. I don't know if just the contacts suck, or it's Toyota being picky with the wants picky Toyota bulbs. But that's how you would replace that. And I would rather have the light illuminated on rather than the 115. Yep, got to turn on accessory all the way. There you go. So I'd rather have that illuminated out for sure. Well, I hope this helped you out. This does light up. If yours never lit up or you didn't know or burned out, that's how you change that one out. I'll link a video how to do this one, another video I saw somebody else post. Check that guys out. This is a very good video how to replace the HVAC bulbs right here behind the knobs. And then I showed you how to do these ones right here. But unfortunately, the aftermarket bulbs that I got for these ones, the T3s, they're just not working. They're just not working for the for this, I guess, 115 inverter thing. Yeah, it doesn't illuminate. Anyways, I hope this helped. Appreciate the likes and the comments. Definitely helps boost the channel. And this is a passion of mine, doing some of these videos like this, working on my car, documenting just the things I'm doing, maintenance, repairs, upgrades, whatever. Especially in the Matrix 5 Corolla, 1ZZ, 2ZZ community. There's some, not too many on the Matrix, so I figured I'd start that a while back. There are some. I'm not the only, but I appreciate the love some of you guys show. Thanks. Peace.